Hello everyone. So this is the next tutorial problem session 4 for the parallel thin film interference. Okay, so these are some formulations which we discussed in the previous video lesson. The path difference for the reflected system and the path difference for the transmitted system and the corresponding conditions for the bright and dark bands. Okay, so let's see now the next numerical problem 6. The problem is a man whose eyes are 150 centimeter above the oil film on the water surface observe the greenish color at a distance of 100 centimeter from his feet. Calculate the probable thickness of the film given that lambda is equal to 5000 angstrom and the refractive index of the oil is equal to 1.4. Okay, so I try to draw the situation of the numerical problem by this figure. Here there is a utensil and there is a water in this, and the oil layer is upon the water layer. Okay, so this is the thin film of the oil, and there is a person observing a greenish color from the reflected light from the upper surface of the thin film. Okay, so this is the person, this is the man, and whose eyes are 1 centimeter above the oil film. Okay, so this is the upper surface, and BC is equal to 150 centimeter. Oil film is here and eyes are here, so BC is equal to 150 centimeter, and one thing more, at a distance of 1 centimeter from his feet. Okay, so the origin of 100 centimeter, the origin of color is here, so feet are here, so AB is equal to point of incidence is here. Okay, so AB is equal to 100 centimeter. Now since the person is observing a color, so there is a case of the bright band, and also this is the case of reflected light. So let's put this condition, twice mu t cos r plus lambda by 2 means reflected light is equal to twice n lambda by 2 means bright case. Okay, so let's solve it, and we have to calculate the thickness of the film. Therefore we will solve this equation for the t, and in this way we obtain this value. Now here lambda is equal to this value 5000 angstrom and mu is equal to 1.4. Okay, so by the help of this we can solve it, but there is some problem. What is the problem? The angle of refraction r is not given here, so the r value may be obtained from the figure. Okay, so here this is the angle of incidence, so this is the angle of also, this corresponding angle will also be equal to I, and they are two normals. Okay, so this is I, then this angle will also be I. So let's apply the tan formula in the figure, in the triangle A, B and C. So in this way we can obtain tan I, and then after tan I is equal to this value, and this implies sin I is equal to this value to this value. Okay, so in this way we can obtain the sin I. So once we obtain the sin I, we will use the Snell law because we want cos r. So then after we obtain the sin r value, sin r is equal to 0.3962. Then after we use the trigonometrical formula cos r is equal to under root 1 minus sin square r. So cos r, finally we obtain the cos r value is equal to 0.9182. Okay, so now all the data is in our hand. Now we can put the value, and twice n minus 1 multiplied by the wavelength 4 into 1.4. 1.4 is the refractive index and the cos r value. So t is equal to this value. So now for least thickness, Many times the n value is not given. In such a cases, we can take n is equal to 1 for the least thickness condition. The thickness comes to be 9.27 into 10 to power minus 8 meter. Okay, so now let's see the another problem, numerical problem number 7. What is the problem? A soap film of refractive index 1.43 is illuminated by the white light incident at an angle of 30. So this is the refractive index. Here incident at an angle of 30 means I is equal to 30 degree. That means we have to calculate the R value. Here I is given, but we have to calculate the R value by the same method as the numerical problem number 6. Now the reflected light is examined by the spectroscope, in which dark band corresponding to this wavelength is obtained. Calculate the thickness of the film. So this is the case of reflection. Okay, so we have to apply the reflection condition. This is the case of the dark band. So here I put the condition of reflection equal to the dark band condition and solve it. It comes to twice mu t cos r equal to twice n lambda upon 2. Okay, so all data is given, but R value is not given. For this I value is given and mu is given. So we apply the Snell law formula, and as the previous numerical problem, we can obtain the cos R value is equal to 0.9368. Okay, so now let's put these value in the t expression, this expression. So put the n is equal to 1 for the least thickness. See here, we again use n is equal to 1 because n is not given. So for least thickness we always take n is equal to 1. Okay, so the thickness comes to be 2.239 cross 10 to power minus 7 meters. Okay, so these are the two numericals. Thank you.